Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and I'm really excited to announce that we now have memberships with this channel. Now, there are 4 different levels through it all with different perks that all stack up as you go through the levels, including swag, great t-shirts, hats and sweatshirts. But in addition, you're going to help shape this channel. You're going to help give me more feedback and more ability to bring the content you want to see. In addition, at the highest level, I'm even going to be able to feature you and your car on the channel. If you're in here in the Pacific Northwest, we'll work directly and we'll film it all and we'll feature your car here on the channel and your build and why it makes it so special. But anywhere in the world, I will work with you, we'll get some video shot, and I will feature you and your build, which is actually one of the things I am most excited about. I would love to bring this new content to the channel. I would love to show off the amazing builds worldwide for the fans of this channel. So give me the ability to do that. I'm going to be really excited to work with you. And please make sure to check out the new membership options today and consider signing up. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I look forward to working with you.